Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Naveed Ahmed. Today in this video, I will show you how you can create different header for logged in and logged out users. So go to your WordPress dashboard. For this, you need Elements Kit plugin and you also need Ultimate add-on for Elementor plugin. If you do not have Elements Kit and Ultimate add-on for Elementor, you need to install these first. After installing these plugins, go to Ultimate add-on for Elementor. Click here on header and footer. Now click here on add new. Now you need to give the title to your header like header 1 for logged in users. Then scroll down and set the type of template we are making header. After that, you need to set display on entire website. And the most important thing is user roles. From here, you need to set logged in as we are making this template for logged in users. Now, set the default template, uh, Elementor full width template, and publish this template. After creating this template, we need to edit this template with Elementor. Click here on Edit with Elementor. From here, we need to click here on Elements Kit. Now we need to find out the header section. This is header section. There are some free header templates. You can choose anyone from these. Like this is free, this is also free. Click here on insert. Now as you can see that our header have been applied, but we need to set some things like we need to set the logo. Click here, choose an logo image. After choosing the image, click here on this pencil icon and select the menu, main menu. As you can see that now we have logo and we also have our navigation items. But I think we need to change the logo because the background is white. As you can see that our logo is not displaying properly. So we need to change our logo. Click here on choose image, select file and select your image. Now you can see that our logo is appearing properly. We have a navigation item and we also have a logo. So now we need to publish. Go to page view, refresh your page. Now you can see that in preview, we can see that our header is working properly and is looking good. This header will show only logged in users. If a user is not logged in, he cannot display this header. So to check it, we will go to incognito window and refresh our page. Here we are not logged in. Now you can see that the header we recently make for login users is not displaying here because we are not logged in incognito window. Go to your WordPress dashboard again. Go to Ultimate add-on for Elementor and click here on header and footer. Now we need to make a new header for logout users. For this, click here on add new. Write the name of header, header1, logged out user. Now scroll down and set the type of template. Set the type to header. Now select it for entire website. Scroll down and set the user role. We want to display to log out users. Go to template and set the template to Elementor full width and publish it. Now we have created the header for logout users. We need to edit it with Elementor. Click here on Edit with Elementor. Again, we need to go to Elements Kit Templates. Search header. Now we will use another header for logout users. For logout users, we are going to use this one with white background. Now again, we need to set the logo. After setting the logo, click here on this pencil icon and select the menu to main menu. Now you can see that in our second header for logout users, we have logo. We also have navigation items and search icon. Now publish it. And go to Cognito window. Refresh your page. Now you can see that a new header that we have made recently is appearing here. And if we go to the tab where we are login and refresh it, you can see that this header is different from the header which is appearing here for logout users. If I click here in my account, you can see that it's taking me to login or register page instead of dashboard. And if I go to the my account on this tab, it's taking me to the dashboard. So in this way, you can create two separate headers for login and logout users. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel and share the video with your friends. See you in the next video.